Look, you can hold it. You can hold it with this hand. Yep, hold the pole like that. And then reel.
Yeah, good job.
Good job. There you go. Look at the fish. Here it comes. And there it comes. Good job.
Yay, good job.
We'll be fishing in no time.
Yeah.
Catching a big
There it
one?
comes.
Man.
You figured it out quick.
Yeah.
There it comes.
You're a good fisher, lady.
Good job. And you got the
Man,
fish.
that's a big fish.
And you
Holy
got the fish.
cow.
Look what you got. Good catch.
All right.
How about a high five?
Good job.
All right.
Good job, Nico.
She goes, I want to do that again.
Want to catch another one? Want to catch another one?
Okay, you got to bring the fish all the way down. There you go. Nice cast.
There you go. Now let's reel it in again.
Shut that.
Good job.
That computer. Thank you.
There you go.
Wow.
You picked that up quick.
Good catch.
Just wait till next year.
Good catch.
Really?